I love. Hey guys, I hope you all are safe, fine and secure, and today's video is all about the Musk India brushes. A few days back I received a PR package from Musk India. I really wanted to review their brushes in the beauty blender. My favorite thing is the beauty blender from the collection. I mean, this is love. Forget the actual beauty blender, forget Real Technique. This is the one that you need because it just amps up so well, and the size of this after damping it's so good, and it doesn't even absorb a lot of product. I can show you the size difference. This is the original size of the beauty blender, and this is after you wet the blender. So I really am in love with the products, and I created this look using the brushes of the Musk India, and I am super duper in love, especially the stippling brushes. How can I forget this? This so perfectly fits into your nose contours and your cheek contours. The precision is really amazing. Look at this. And the stippling brush, it applies the product so well on your face. I can't even tell you how much I am in love with all the brushes and the glitters. Oh my gosh, this is something you gotta have in your vanity. You just need little bit of concealer to just stick this glitter on your lid. That's it, nothing else. These are amazing, and I'm gonna be reviewing each and every product in this video. And the glitters, I haven't swatched all the glitters right now in this video because it's gonna be a long video then. So I'll be doing it later on my Instagram. Stay tuned. To subscribe if you like the video, give this video a thumbs up, and if you don't want to miss any upload of me, press that bell notification. That's all you have to do. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the video. Do check out Musk India pages, and also you can have 15% off using my discount code that I'll be mentioning over here. So just check out that discount code while purchasing the brushes, apply that discount code, and you can just buy your brushes on 15% off. How cool is that? So let's get started with the video without further ado. Yeah. Okay guys, so Musk India has these amazing set of basic eye and face brushes. Look at this, how gorgeous and amazing it is. I really enjoyed working with these gorgeous brushes, and these beauty blenders, oh my god, this is so good. I cannot tell you how much I loved this. I won't be using any other beauty blender now. And these are their loose glitters. I really enjoyed those. I mean, they are bomb. So starting off with the stippling brush MBM 18, I am just applying my Porcelain Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Look at this, how amazingly it is putting on the product on my face. So gorgeous. There is no like excessive absorption of the product in the brush. This is really good. I enjoyed this. I am in love. And look at the blender. I soaked that in the water. Look at the size of the blender, and blends everything so seamlessly. It doesn't soak the product. That is so good about this blender. I really love it. Enjoyed working with these blenders. This is my favorite thing from the entire collection. And then again, I'm doing this concealing and blending with my favorite product, the blender. This is really good, you guys. You should definitely give this blender a try. I loved it. Look at it. Then starting out with MBM 14 brush, this is the contouring brush, and it amazingly fits each contour of your face, especially the nose contour. I am really loving it for my nose contour because it just marks your nose bridge so amazingly and properly. I can't even tell you how. This is good. This is really good. And then I'm blending all the contour shades like so. And then again with my favorite blender, I'm just giving that shape to the contour by applying a little bit of loose and highlighting powder from the sides of the nose and the cheeks. Look how sculpted it look. Then with MBM 2 brush 02, this is an eyebrow brush. I really love the brushes जिसमें spoolie attached होता है and साथ में angled brush because it makes it more easy to do your brows. You don't have to rush for the spoolie, you don't have to rush for the brush. It's just everything in one brush. So I really love it how amazingly it just combs my brows, and I'm filling it and doing all that stuff, you know. Then next up, I'm using this fluffy brush. This is brush number 07 by Musk. And then I'm applying the lightest shade on the palette all over my lid. This is the trick. You just give a shade to your lid, then you working with the darker shades will be more easy. Then with MBM brush 08, I'm just carving up my crease area like so. Okay, then with the flat shader brush, I'm just carving out my lid area, the upper lash line, and just pressing the shade towards the outer corner of my eye. You can see what angle I'm giving right now. I really love this. I really love this. This look is my favorite. And then comes the amazing part, the glitters. These are so pigmented, guys, and so finely grinded. I can't even tell you. I really love these glitters. This is going to be my like everyday use kind of stuff, because sometimes I feel like only applying glitter on my lids. Look, so gorgeous. I just applied a little bit of concealer to get that pickup or that gluey stuff onto my lids so that these glitters stick properly on my lids. So yeah, and I'm doing that. Okay, then with the blush brush MBM 16, I'm just blending out the contours properly and buffing out all the powder that I applied to bake. And then I'll be applying the blush with the same brush. But before that, with the beauty blender, I'm just dabbing off the excess powder from my face so that it looks clean and nice. And with that same blush brush, I'm just applying the blush on my face. And look at this highlighter brush, so precise, MBM 13. So I'm just gonna apply the highlighter on my high points of my cheek and nose, cupid's bow, forehead, blah blah blah. And then I'm just gonna complete my eye look by putting on the shades on my lower lash line and just using this Smashbox mascara. I really love it. This is my favorite mascara ever. So completing my look like so. The brownish glitter I'm applying on my lipstick as well so that it gives that pop to my look. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and this didn't make my makeup cakey at all. The brushes are so good and affordable. You can just check out. I'll be sharing the link down in the description box below. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching.